Hi guys, today I have four 5-gallon jugs of mash that I'll be brewing today, and I'll be using this kettle here, and I got some parts over here. I got my column and my reflex, yeah, with my gauge. And these tubings here, they're PEX tubings. Yeah. These PEX tubings will be providing water to cool down my reflex and my condenser, which is down here. Yeah. So the first thing I'll do is I'll pour one of these jugs of mash into my kettle here. So what I've done is I poured my liquids out, all the clear stuff. Let's see, this cover here has a built-in silicone seal. Yeah. And the way this works is it just snaps in place with these clamps. Yeah. Okay. I got the first two and then the third one. Okay. There we go. Alright, so far I got the kettle up and my column and my reflex. It's all hooked up now. My kettle, my column, my reflex chamber, and my condenser. It's all hooked up. All that's left is to connect the cooling water to my water lines. And I'll be using buckets with a transfer pump. Well, this is my setup. This bucket here, this one will provide cooling water to my reflex column. And then for my condenser, I'll have a different bucket with the pump. Alright, so now it's time to turn on the stove. I'll keep the setting on high, power boil, until it heats up. And I'll keep an eye on my gauge. Okay, I'm almost 140 degrees, and so what I did was I turned on my cooling water. So my pump is running, my cooling water to my condenser is running, and so now my condenser is cooling down whatever that's in there. So far there's nothing, and so I'm waiting for my methanol to come out. I'm at 140 right now. I'm at 160. Here's my methanol that's coming out. That's my methanol. And I'll be collecting roughly about 200 ml. Alright, right now I'm at 174 degrees Fahrenheit. And so my ethanol should be coming through. I'm almost at let's see here. I'm at 75 ml. And what I'll do is I'll collect 200. That will include my 4 shots and my heads. Get those out of the way, and then we'll start to collect the ethanol alcohol. So now I got my cooling water going up to my reflux column. The supply is on the bottom, the returns in the back, and it's returning back to the same bucket. I got it adjusted. I adjusted the water so it's barely coming out. This is to control the temperature of my column, my reflux. And then I got my cooling water over here with its own pump going to the condenser and returning back here into the bucket. And what I use for ice is just a regular bottle, empty bottle, filled with water, frozen into ice, and then just submerge it into the bucket. It should keep my cooling water cold. Okay, so I collected 200 ml of the 4 shots and heads. And now it's going into my parrot. And here's my hydrometer. It's in the parrot. We'll see where it's at. As soon as it fills up, we'll see how many percentage this is and at what proof. So we are running about 160 proof, and so that is 80% alcohol. All right.